Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Burgess. Now, before I paint today, I wanted to actually show you something on my balcony. So before we begin the painting session, let's go and take a look. Okay, we're on our balcony and this is what I wanted to show you. First of all, these are my plants on the balcony. But what I did want to show you is this. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I've got my little friends here, my little garden gnomes, and my little welcome garden gnome. He's quite large actually. I found him in a Daiso, I think it was. And there are more of his friends there. But this is the main thing I wanted to show you. A pineapple. Now this was grown from a cutting. The tip. I cut the tip off a pineapple that I bought years ago. And I think this took at least 3, 4, 5 years to grow to this level. And this thing is very, very tiny. Let's go back a little bit. Look how tiny it is. Now I'm going to show you the scale of this thing I'm going to show you the scale of this thing using this clothes peg. Look how, this is the size of a normal clothes peg, and that's the size of the pineapple. It's actually very small. I would say it's about the size of a mandarin. Size of a mandarin. But isn't that pretty? Oops, it's tricky there. Look how pretty it is. Look at that. So what I thought I'd do today is to do a quick painting, maybe using line and wash. And I thought it might be fun. I thought you might like to see it. It's not beautiful. It's not amazing that it grew, but it took so long. I just cut the head off the pineapple and I planted it in some soil. And all these shoots came up first. All these shoots, these things came up first. These shoots came up first, and then eventually little baby pineapple grew up out of it. Of course, we can't eat it yet. It's far too small, and it'll probably take another 10 years or something before we can actually try it out. But isn't that amazing? So let's go back to my painting table and let's do some drawing.